can you spot the difference between these two diagrams? They look similar, but the difference comes in what the axes are telling you. Over here, we have an X and a Y axis. So this point represents a coordinate, 3, 4. But this point here is not a coordinate. It's a complex number, and this is an Argand diagram. The horizontal axis represents the real part of the number, and the vertical axis represents the imaginary part of the number. So this point here represents the number 3 plus 4i, where I stands for imaginary. And for any complex number, we can represent it on an Argand diagram, and you can find the modulus and the argument of any complex number. The modulus of this complex number is very similar to the shortest distance of this coordinate from the origin. The way we calculate it is using Pythagoras, because we have lengths of 4 and 3 on this triangle, so we can do 3 squared plus 4 squared to mean the modulus of this complex number is equal to 5. We can also work out the argument, and the argument represents the angle between the real axis and the line from the complex number to the origin. Using our trig ratios, we can work out that the argument is the inverse of tangent 4 divided by 3. We do opposite over the adjacent, and this angle can be represented in degrees and in radians. We typically represent it in radians, which is something around 0.39 radians. So any complex number can be shown on an Argand diagram. And yes, it looks similar to coordinate geometry, but they are very different.